Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Jmpt to MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is installed and ready. You'll need to connect it to the Binance Smart Chain network, as Jmpt operates there. Then, find the official Jmpt token contract address. This is crucial for adding Jmpt to your wallet correctly. Double-check the address to avoid any errors during the process. Now that you have the contract address, open your MetaMask wallet. Scroll down and click on the Import Tokens button. Select the Custom Token tab and paste the Jmpt contract address you found earlier into the designated field. The token symbol, Jmpt, and the decimals, which should be 18, should automatically populate. If they don't, you might need to enter them manually, but always verify the contract address first. With Jmpt added to MetaMask, you're ready to transfer. First, copy your MetaMask wallet address. This is where your Jmpt will be sent. Next, navigate to the platform where your Jmpt is currently held, such as the Jmpt app or an exchange. Initiate a withdrawal or transfer, then carefully paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of Jmpt you wish to send and confirm the transaction. After initiating the transfer, return to your MetaMask wallet. It might take a few minutes for the blockchain transaction to process and for your Jmpt tokens to appear. Always double-check the transaction status on a block explorer if you experience delays. Remember, patience is key with crypto transfers. Also, for other great deals and product recommendations, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.